Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man, Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA of Dayton. We're out here in Fletcher, Ohio, just right outside of Piqua. Customer had us put in 8 windows. He previously did some himself, but they also needed the trim on the inside. So not only did we trim out most of the windows that we installed, we also trimmed out the windows that he installed himself. He's got some construction going on, a lot of remodeling going on in the house, and windows was a priority. Right here you can see here's a twin unit that we did and how it's capped on the outside. And then if you want to walk around over here on the side, we did these big windows on the front porch, capped them all out. I believe these windows were installed a couple weeks ago, so they've been in for a minute. Covered all that good stuff up. Another good job on the capping. That's Chris, by the way, if you have us out, one of your installers. So I'm gonna go on inside so we can show you guys some of the trim work that we did. All right, so this is the front porch. He's not done with the drywall and insulation yet, but these are 2 of the big windows that we did. And if you notice, you can still see our foam. I believe the guys cut the trim to fit, and the customer's going to put the trim up after he gets the drywall back up. But these are 2 pretty big windows right here. It is triple pane with Provia. I don't want to open that one, he's got some stuff on it, but regardless of how big they are, it's still easy open and shut. Now it is a little bit heavier than a smaller window, but the fact is it's a lot lighter because of the balancing system in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk on into the house. So here we are at one of the ones, this is one of the windows we installed. And the guys brought it in to where it was flush with the drywall, and then they put the casing on around that, basically like a picture frame. And then we're going to go ahead and walk back here to one of the ones that the customer installed. Now we have no problem with customers installing products on their own, but because he's doing construction in here as well, I believe he modified this wall to fit these 2 windows, and so he installed them. But then the guys, we had to put jam extensions on and then put the trim around that. And so guys did a great job putting that trim up. This is primed pine. The customer was definitely down with that because I don't know if he knew exactly what color they're going to be painting the trim yet. So since it's already primed, he can come in here and paint it any color he wants and get it taken care of and finished when he's done with everything that he's doing. So just wanted to bring you guys out to a house that the customer's remodeling himself and show you some of the stuff that we can do. If you want us to do the trim package, we're absolutely happy to take care of that for you while we're doing the windows. So thanks for joining me for another episode of The Customer's House. Peace out, everybody.